Prove that cos of pi by 4 plus x plus cos of pi by 4 minus x equal to root 2 cos x. Cos a plus cos b equal to 2 cos a plus b by 2 into cos a minus b by 2. Okay, so this identity will help us to solve this problem. Okay, cos a plus cos b equal to 2 cos a plus b by 2 into cos a minus b divided by 2. Okay, this identity is used to convert sum of angles into product. Okay, here cos a plus cos b are the sum of angles. Okay, is converted into product. 2 cos a plus b by 2 into cos a minus b by 2. Okay, here in this problem for a we have pi by 4 plus x, whereas for b we have pi by 4 minus x. Okay, so this is a, this is b. Okay, so using the identity cos a plus cos b equal to 2 cos a plus b by 2 into cos a minus b by 2. Take a is equal to a pi by 4 plus x and b is equal to pi by 4 minus x. Okay, so take a equal to pi by 4 plus x and b equal to pi by 4 minus x. Now find a plus b and a minus b. After finding the a plus b and a minus b, we just substitute the values in this formula, we will get the answer. Okay, so a is equal to pi by 4 plus x, b equal to pi by 4 minus x. So first we are going to find the value of a plus b. A plus b is equal to pi by 4 plus x. So this is a plus pi by 4 minus x, this is b. Okay, now plus x minus x gets cancelled. So after cancelling plus x minus x, we will get 4 common denominator. So add the numerator, pi plus pi. So now pi plus pi is 2 pi divided by 4, 1, 2. Okay, so a plus b equal to pi by 2. Plus x minus x cancel, so pi plus pi by 4, which is equal to 2 pi by 4. So and cancelling 2, 4, a plus b is equal to pi by 2. Similarly, next a minus b is equal to a plus b by a minus b is equal to pi by 4 plus x minus, this is a, this is b. Okay, a minus b is equal to pi by 4 plus x minus within bracket pi by 4 minus x. Now multiply this minus into pi by 4 minus pi by 4, minus into minus becomes plus. Okay, so pi by 4, write pi by 4 plus x as it is and multiply this minus with this pi by 4 minus x. So it will become minus pi by 4 plus x. Okay, now cancel pi by 4 minus pi by 4 plus pi by 4 minus pi by 4 getting cancelled. So x plus x becomes 2x. So a minus b is equal to 2x. So we know that cos a plus cos b is equal to 2 cos a plus b by 2 into cos a minus b by 2. Put a is equal to pi by 4 plus x plus cos b is equal to pi by 4 minus x. For a we have pi by 4 plus x, For b we have pi by 4 minus x. A plus b we have calculated, whose value is pi by 2, and a minus b, the calculated value of a minus b is 2x. Okay, the calculated value of a plus b is pi by 2. The calculated value of a minus b is 2x. Okay, so the next step is, so this 2 will come to the denominator and getting multiplied with 2. So 2 into 2, 4. This 2 gets cancelled. Okay, so the next step is 2 cos 2 into 2, 2 into 2, 4. Okay, so 2 cos pi by 4 into cos x. So this 2 gets cancelled, x. Okay, so 2 cos pi by 4 into cos x. The value of cos pi by 4 is 1 by root 2. The value of cos pi by 4 is 1 by root 2. So that is equal to 2 into 1 by root 2 into cos x. So 2 can be written as root 2 into root 2. We can write this 2 as root 2 into root 2. Okay, so root 2 into 1 by root 2 into cos x. Root 2 gets cancelled. So finally we have root 2 cos x. Okay, so this root 2 get cancelled, so that the answer is root 2 cos x, hence Broad. Okay.